In this video, I'll be replacing the driver's side temperature blend door actuator on this first generation Chevy Traverse. The symptoms of a broken temperature actuator are either a clicking noise under the dash or simply being unable to switch between hot and cold. If this actuator isn't the one giving you problems, I have videos for each of the other actuators in my Traverse playlist. The driver temperature actuator is located under the dash on the driver's side. It's the same actuator as used in the GMC Acadia, Buick Enclave, and Saturn Outlook, although access may vary slightly by model. To confirm the problem is a driver's temperature blend door actuator. If there's a ticking noise, it should be coming from behind the driver's side dash or floorboard area. Additionally, you can turn on the HVAC system, make sure the passenger temperature is not synced with the driver's side, then change the temperature with the driver's side controls. You may get a ticking noise when it switches between hot and cold, or the temperature may not change at all. This is due to a broken gear inside the actuator. I'll include a link to where you can buy a new actuator in the description below. The tools you need for this job are a T20 Torx bit with driver, a slotted screwdriver or trim removal tool, and a flashlight. Let's get started by removing the 3 trim clips holding the access panel under the dash above the driver's footwell. Pull down the center of the retainer, then slide the rest of the retainer out with your fingers. After removing all 3 retainer clips, the access panel can be easily removed. Now locate the temperature blend door actuator mounted to the HVAC system on the right. First, unplug the connector on the right. Now remove the 3 T20 Torx screws securing the actuator to the HVAC housing. Slide the old actuator off of the blend door. You may have the white plastic actuator adapter come off with the old actuator. If it does, simply slide it off the old actuator and reinsert it into the blend door splines. It's designed to only go in one way, so if it doesn't fit, just keep rotating it until it slides in. You can test to make sure there isn't an issue with the blend door by manually rotating this adapter. It should easily rotate back and forth with minimal resistance. Now take the new actuator and line it up with the actuator adapter. For me, this meant holding it near vertical to line up the flat sides on the actuator adapter, then rotating it to the right to line it up with the screw holes. Now plug in the connector to keep it held in place while you get the screws. Reinstall all 3 T20 Torx screws and hand tighten. Before reinstalling the access panel, turn the key to the on position and change the driver's side temperature on the HVAC controls. You should see the new actuator rotate clockwise when turned to heat and back counterclockwise when turned to cold. Now slide the access panel into place at the back and push in the 3 trim clips. I hope this video has been helpful. If so, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also check out my Traverse playlist for all of my Chevy Traverse related content.